Hello and welcome to today's video. Before we start, I just want to announce who will get the camera, the film camera that I was telling you about a few videos earlier that I'm gonna give away. So I received just a few comments. I've picked number 2 as a comment, and that comment is Ioana's comment. Hopefully Ioana will enjoy as well the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna send her the camera. Hopefully I'll get a few photos and I will share it with you as well. Right, with that out of the way, let's start into the video that I'm gonna make. It's a small tutorial on how to do black and white photography very quick in Affinity Photo. So it's gonna be like a very quick tutorial. Right, so I've opened 3 images here. I'm gonna use these images in my purple port portfolio, and I'm gonna link it below if you wanna see. And I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to create black and white images. Even though these images look very good in color, I wanna make them black and white. I'm not gonna do any retouching, it's just color changing. So the first way is using Vibrance. So if you go here in Adjustment, Vibrance, click on Default, and here you can see you can do saturation to 0, and that's it. Of course you can add Vibrance, but here is not gonna influence anything. So this is the first way, very quick way of transforming your image into a black and white. Unfortunately, you don't have that many options in terms of color adjustment when it comes to black and white. So that's why on the second image from Vibrance, we're gonna use HSL actually. So we're gonna default, and this window will appear. And from here, you can either go on the total amount of colors and do saturation shift, or from here you can go and desaturate, you know, color by color. So you can add, you know, a bit more green is not going to influence. This one is not going to influence. I think this magenta one is going to influence the code here. Luminosity shift. So you can see how this is allowing us to control the luminosity only on the magenta colors, which is really cool. We have a bit more control over it. And of course you can do like color shift, but yeah, not for this. I think this looks very good, although you can see that it has a tiny bit of color, you know, like all like old photos have black and white have a tint of, you know, a color or a yellowish with the time and so on. I like this. I really like it. I think from here the only thing that I would do is go to levels, go default, and just bring back the luminosity, the white levels. All right, something like this. Really like it. Has a tint of color, but I still consider it a black and white. Let me know what you think below. Is this a black and white or yeah. And the third way, I'm going very fast here, mostly because you know, I just want to be on a point. Because this is a CR2, it's either, so I'm going to show you 2 things. It's either you go to develop persona, because this is a raw image, and here you go black and white, and you adjust your colors from here, and you have so many options here, so many options. Of course, this black and white panel, you have it in Affinity Photo as well, Photo Persona. So from here you go and you develop the image, and there you go. you have the black and white. And as I said, you have it here as well in black and white. If you don't see this this panel here, you can go to Window and you have Adjustment. And this adjustment is basically that one. See, it disappeared. Window, Adjustment, it reappeared. And I can make it bigger, smaller, and so on. Yeah, I digress. And I wanted to show you, let me undo. I want to show you another one. Is basically this stone mapping persona. So if you click on it, you have a bunch of presets on the left side. So this is gonna load up the image. And as you see, you have extreme. We have a bunch of presets already. James Ritson Customs. I don't know where I have this. Again, I digress. So yeah, you can go to the default one. I don't know if you'll have this ones. I don't know if I load it up by mistake or not. So just click on the high contrast black and white, and you can see it has a very high contrast. So we can tone it down a bit. I really like this grunginess. Tone compression. Actually, I like it like this. You can change the black point, have it blacker or a washed up gray. But yeah, just have it as is. Exposure, loving it. Brightness, I think just a tiny bit. Enhance, contrast, saturation. So now it's desaturating. Shadows and highlights. Yeah, this is gonna show. I want a bit of highlight like this. And shadows. You can see it has a bit of elements here on this dress. Do the shadow, detail refinement, radius. I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, so this makes this image crispy. Really like it. And curves, the the S curve or whatever you want to call it, and you can adjust the curve as well. If you're happy with this image, which to be honest I really like, bit of noise in the background, Artemis is very sharp in this image, and I click apply. And there you go. This is the fourth way. That's a bonus. So tone mapping. So it's a different persona where you can adjust the colors. So you have everything in there. That's about it. I'm gonna fiddle with these images a bit. That sounded nasty. No. I'm gonna export the images and upload them to my portfolio. If you have Purple Port, drop me a follow there as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see these types of videos. Next week I will try to be on location, at least have some new photography done, because to be honest, this year it was a bit lacking in photography. I hope you are okay and you're hanging in there. Until next week, please take care of you and see you around. Bye bye.